Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to add friends and play with friends in Hill Climb Racing 2. Alright, let's begin. First, open Hill Climb Racing 2 and go to the lobby. Make sure you are on the Cops section, then navigate to the Events tab, which is the fourth option in the middle of the screen on the right. From here, tap the Friends option. Keep in mind, you can only access this option if you are Golden Tier 2. If you are not Golden Tier 2, the Friends feature will be locked and you will not be able to add or play with friends. Once you reach Golden Tier 2, the Friends option will be available. Tap it, and you will see the Send Invite to Friends button. Use this to invite your friends to join your game. After sending the invite, your friends can accept and you can play together in races and events. If you are not yet Golden Tier 2, keep playing and leveling up until you reach that tier. So that's basically how you can add friends and play with friends in Hill Climb Racing 2. That's it for this video. Thanks!